the top 7 vitamins to boost leg and foot circulation instantly. Poor blood circulation in the legs and feet can be a result of several factors such as a sedentary lifestyle, smoking, high cholesterol, or underlying health conditions. It's not just an inconvenience, it can lead to serious health problems. But the good news is that there are things you can do to improve your circulation. One way is to make sure you're getting enough of the right vitamins and minerals. In this video, we're going to talk about the top 7 vitamins to boost leg and foot circulation instantly. These vitamins are essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels and promoting optimal blood flow. Let's explore these 7 powerful vitamins. 7. Vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 plays a vital role in the regulation of calcium within the blood, bones, and arteries. In terms of circulation, it helps by preventing the calcification of arteries, thus keeping them flexible and promoting better blood flow. This flexibility is essential for unobstructed circulation, especially in the extremities like the legs and feet. A deficiency in vitamin K2 might contribute to arterial stiffness and poor blood flow. Consuming foods rich in K2 such as fermented foods or taking supplements under the guidance of healthcare professionals can support vascular health and improve circulation. 6. Potassium. Potassium is an essential mineral that plays a key role in maintaining proper muscle function, including the muscles that control blood vessel dilation and constriction. Proper blood vessel function is essential for ensuring adequate blood flow to all parts of the body, including the legs and feet. Adequate potassium levels help the blood vessels relax, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with circulatory issues in the legs. A deficiency in potassium may contribute to cramping and poor circulation. Including potassium-rich foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, and spinach in your diet can support healthy blood flow. 5. Choline. Choline is a nutrient that's vital for several bodily functions, including the maintenance of proper blood flow. It plays a crucial role in the synthesis of components that make up a significant part of cell membranes. This ensures that the cells, including those lining the blood vessels, remain flexible and responsive to changes in blood flow. Choline also aids in the production of molecules that act as signaling messengers within the vascular system, helping to regulate blood pressure and flow. Adequate choline in the diet supports these functions, thereby contributing to healthy blood circulation in areas such as the legs and feet. Foods rich in choline include eggs, liver, and soybeans. 4. Quercetin. Quercetin is a plant pigment flavonoid found in many foods and herbs. It's known for its antioxidant properties that can benefit blood flow, particularly in the legs. Quercetin helps to promote healthy blood circulation by relaxing the blood vessels, reducing inflammation, and enhancing the integrity of blood vessel walls. Its anti-inflammatory effects help in reducing the buildup of plaque in the arteries, thus preventing atherosclerosis, a condition that restricts blood flow. By supporting vascular health, quercetin aids in maintaining proper blood flow to all parts of the body, including the legs and feet. Sources of quercetin include apples, onions, red grapes, and berries. 3. Magnesium. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including those that regulate blood flow. It helps relax the muscles in the blood vessel walls, leading to dilation of the vessels and improved blood flow, particularly to the extremities such as the legs. Proper magnesium levels can help prevent blood vessel constriction, reducing the risk of blood clots and peripheral vascular disease. A deficiency in magnesium may lead to poor circulation. Good sources of magnesium include leafy green vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds, making it relatively easy to incorporate into a healthy diet. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in supporting the cardiovascular system and enhancing blood flow. It aids in the synthesis of collagen, a protein that helps maintain the integrity and flexibility of the blood vessels, allowing for optimal circulation to the legs and other extremities. Moreover, vitamin C can improve nitric oxide production, a molecule that signals the blood vessels to relax and widen, promoting better blood flow. A deficiency in vitamin C might lead to a reduced ability for the arteries to expand, causing circulation issues. Citrus fruits, berries, tomatoes, and peppers are excellent sources of vitamin C. 1. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, is an organic compound that acts as a powerful antioxidant in the body. It plays a vital role in energy production within cells and helps protect against oxidative stress, which can damage blood vessels and impede blood flow. ALA has been shown to enhance vasodilation, the expansion of blood vessels, which improves blood circulation to the legs and other parts of the body. Its antioxidative properties can help prevent and repair damage to the blood vessels, thus supporting overall vascular health. ALA is found in foods like spinach, broccoli, and red meat and is also available as a supplement. Conclusion: by incorporating these 7 vitamins and compounds into your diet or supplementation regimen, you can significantly improve blood circulation to your legs and feet. This can help to alleviate symptoms of poor circulation such as cramps, numbness, and tingling. It can also help to prevent more serious health problems such as varicose veins, blood clots, and peripheral artery disease. In addition to diet and supplementation, there are other things you can do to improve blood circulation in your legs and feet. These include regular exercise. Exercise helps to pump blood throughout your body and improve circulation. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Maintaining a healthy weight. Being overweight or obese can put extra strain on your blood vessels and make it harder for blood to circulate. Quitting smoking. Smoking damages your blood vessels and makes it harder for blood to flow. Elevating your legs. When you sit or lie down for long periods of time, blood can pool in your legs and feet. Elevating your legs can help to improve circulation. Wearing loose-fitting clothing. Tight-fitting clothing can restrict blood flow. Wear loose-fitting clothing to keep your blood flowing freely. By following these tips, you can improve your blood circulation and keep your legs and feet healthy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more health and wellness tips.